Hi students, good morning. Yesterday we completed rotation and revolution. In our textbook, here they asked one question. What is that? The earth is spherical in shape. How do you think people stand on it? Students, what is this? This is our earth. Here the earth was round in shape or spherical in shape, but we never fall on the earth. Why? Because here the earth acts like a powerful magnet. Means the earth has magnetic force which always pulls towards on it. So we cannot fall on the earth. Next, if you travel on the earth, if you travel from one direction to another direction, we'll come back to the same point. Why? Because the earth was round in shape. Who proved the shape of the earth? Ferdinand Magellan. He only proved the shape of the earth. How he proved the shape of the earth? He traveled with his ship Navo Victoria from west to east direction, and finally he reached the west direction. Like that, he only proved the shape of the earth. His name Ferdinand Magellan. Who is he? He was a geographer. Finally, he only proved the shape of the earth. But 600 years ago, some of the people believed the earth was flat in shape. What they believed? The earth was flat in shape. If you travel from one direction to another direction, you would reach the edge of the earth and finally you would fall into the sky. They felt like that. They believed like that. Who are living in 600 years ago, they believed like that. But finally, who proved the shape of the earth? Ferdinand Magellan. He only proved the shape of the earth. Students, who is Columbus? Do you know about the Columbus? Columbus, he is an Italian explorer and also he is an European. And who discovered America? America was discovered by the Columbus. How he discovered America, we will see now. Here we have 7 continents are there. What are they? North America, South America, Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia and Antarctica. So totally we have 7 continents and there are 5 oceans. What are they? Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean and Arctic Ocean. Next, Antarctic Ocean and Indian Ocean. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Totally we have 5 oceans are there. What is this? This is Europe. Europe has 4 directions: east, west, north and south directions. Who is he? He is Columbus. He started from west side of the Europe to reach our India. Why? Because here the Arabs blocked the sea route. So he wanted to reach our India by surrounding the Antarctic Ocean. So he started here onwards and he traveled an Atlantic Ocean and finally he reached the Caribbean Islands. Island means the land which was surrounded by water. We called an island. Here some of the Caribbean islands are there. He stopped here. And after he went to the interior part of the earth and here he saw some of the tribals. Like that, the Columbus discovered the America. But he did not reach our India. Finally, who reached our India and who discovered the sea route to India from Europe? Who discovered? Vasco da Gama. Vasco da Gama, who is he? He is a Portuguese explorer and also he is a European. Finally, Vasco da Gama only discovered the sea route to India from Europe. Next topic, continents and oceans. Continent. Continent means very large land masses are called continents. Total we have 7 continents are there. How many continents are there? 7. What are they? Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. And oceans. Oceans means large salt water bodies are called oceans. We have mainly 5 oceans are there. First one, Pacific Ocean and Atlantic Ocean and Indian Ocean and Antarctic or Southern Ocean and Arctic Ocean. Students, see here, Asia is the largest or biggest continent, and second largest Africa, and third largest North America, and fourth one South America, and fifth one Antarctica, and sixth largest Europe, and seventh or very smallest continent Australia. So first one Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. These are the total 7 continents. Which is the third largest continent? North America. Which is the second largest continent? Africa. Which is the sixth largest continent? Europe. And which is the fourth largest continent? South America. Okay, understood? Next, oceans. Already I said we have 5 oceans. First one, first largest, Pacific Ocean. And second one, second largest, Atlantic Ocean. And third one, third largest, Indian Ocean. And fourth one, Antarctic Ocean or Southern Ocean. And the fifth largest ocean or very smallest ocean, Arctic Ocean. Like that here we have 5 oceans are there: Pacific, Atlantic and Indian, Antarctic and last one Arctic Ocean. Students, tomorrow or in the next class I will tell about the latitudes and longitudes.